Hey guys, it's Daniel here from DV Films. I am making an unboxing video of my Sony 909 stereo. It's huge, it's massive, it's gigantic. I'm really actually excited. So, having a GoPro, I've realized that I can do a first-person unboxing of this stereo. And it's so big. And I have so little room and so little space in my room that I've actually had to get rid of my drum kit, give it away, just to make room for this. So yeah, please enjoy. Alrighty, so my bed. Well, I'm 6 foot, 6'2", something like that, right? And my bed is, I think it's queen single. My toes just hang off it. If I've got my head right up on that pillow and my toes, and I'm on my gut, my toes just come off the end of the bed. So, you can just imagine what size this is. It's freaking huge, right? I've been waiting for, well and truly before my birthday, so March, a couple months now, for this to actually arrive. It finally has, and I'm super keen. So that's the aerial for, you know, the FM radio and whatever, and batteries for the remote, I'm guessing, if it's got a remote. I didn't know it had a remote. I'm happy already. Oh, look at that! There's its remote! Oh, some styrofoam, whatever, styrofoam, that stuff just come off it. My full rubbish bin here. Holy crap! Heavy! I think that's the sub. I think. And this is the stereo itself. That's not as heavy. And this will be the two regular speakers. Don't you dare fall off. Ugh. So yeah, this cost me like $480 or something from Harvey Norman's. So yeah, don't you dare hurt anyone. It's a dangerous knife. Ho ho! Look at the size of that thing. Ish. You're beautiful, it's true. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Yucky. Styrofoam, whatever you bees. Yeah, I haven't been making many videos lately, by the way, fellas. Purely because I don't want to. Jeez, I don't always have to please you guys. No, I'm kidding. I just haven't been that motivated. Ever since my computer broke, I've kind of just been like, meh, towards making the videos. I haven't actually been like, oh my god, let's make a video! I've just been like, meh, whatever. Doesn't really matter. Just feeling a bit depressed. Subwoofer. Alrighty. They legit tied a knot in the fucking cable just to keep it together. I don't like that. What if they broke it or something? It smells nice. Actually, a couple of people that live in the town I live in and have been in my friend's car, the 2400 watt stereo that I have uploaded on my channel, yeah, that car smells like this. So all the people that have been inside that car, it's kind of what it smells like. I don't know why I'm telling you how it smells, but that's how it smells. So deal with it, motherfucker. Alrighty, so she's all set up. Righty. Off turn. Hello, Christmas. Didn't have like a manual or anything come with it. Oh, that's sticky tape as well. So it's got a dock on here for my phone to just go into. So that was loud, like extremely impressively loud. I like it. Wow, that bass goes off.